Hi everyone, it's Simon here and it's Sunday the 27th of May. Thanks again for watching. I hope the weather's fine with you today. It certainly is fine out here in Aberystwyth, which is where I am today. And you can see across much of the British Isles, look, we're completely cloud free. We've got to watch this area of showery rain that's down in the far southwest. That's going to be edging its way northwards. This is the destabilisation that's going to take place over the coming days. Bits of low cloud too affecting these eastern coasts of Scotland, but generally it's sunshine all the way across many parts of the country right now. Mention that cloud down in the southwest. This is the radar picture from raintoday.co.uk, a great website. Go and have a look at that one. But you can see that we've got outbreaks of rain just stretching through from southern Ireland down through southwestern parts of England and into the north of France too. These are showers, but this really is marking the area where showers will be developing during today, and some of those could become quite heavy, I think, and quite thundery during the course of today, but elsewhere you can see we are dry. Now, question marks really over how things develop in the coming week. Bit of a discrepancy now between the GFS and the ECMWF model. This is the 500 millibar mean for the period from next Sunday through to Wednesday the 6th. So this is going into the holiday week, and really what I want to show you is this cold pool that's west of Portugal, look, on both the ECMWF and on the GFS as well. Ridge of high pressure building to the north. The ECMWF certainly making more of that than the GFS. The GFS now leaning towards becoming more unsettled during the middle of that week, although I have to say just at the moment I'm with the ECMWF more on this. I think this unsettled process will take place and it will become more unsettled during the week after next, but it'll be later on in the week, not earlier on. So at the moment I'm leaning towards the ECMWF, which puts this cold pool down into Portugal, a ridge of high pressure through the British Isles, northerly flow down over the eastern part of the country where there could be some bits and pieces of rain at times, but generally fair for many of us. So let's have a look and see how things are looking on the GFS. This is the GFS, and remember, I'll tell you as we go through when I think it probably goes off track a little bit, but this is from weatheronline.co.uk. The time is up here in the top left hand corner, and there's the area of high pressure through the British Isles that we've been enjoying through this weekend, bringing lots and lots of sunshine. Now watch what happens during tomorrow. A little area of low pressure off southwestern parts of Ireland, but just watch what happens. That low is actually pushed colder air at upper levels northwards, and what that means is that tomorrow afternoon there is an increased risk of some thundery showers developing from sort of Hertfordshire northwestwards through the Midlands into northwestern parts of England. Now I don't think these are going to be particularly widespread, but I do think that there could be thundery and local downpours if you get one, and given that the winds are going to be very light, they'll be slow moving, so you could get stuck in one for a wee while. Then overnight those showers will be fading away, and I think we dry for the first part of Tuesday, but showers get going again on Tuesday afternoon, most of them confined to more western areas and perhaps along the south coast, these being generated by sea breezes moving inland during the day, but for many it looks as if it'll be a dry and a warm day once again. Into Wednesday, well, that's when we start to see a change taking place. Look, Wednesday afternoon we start to see showers becoming more widespread. Little area of low pressure developing across the Irish Sea, this bringing the risk of heavy and some thundery showers across much of the country, away from these coastal areas in the east and the south, and perhaps south and west Ireland as well as northern Scotland. That bringing the threat of more widespread and heavier thundery showers, merging to spells of rain during the course of the night as that low develops, and watch as that rain slips its way eastwards during the course of the night and the early part of Thursday morning. Now this could bring 10 millimetres or so of rain to some places, perhaps even more than that as it moves eastwards. Northern England, the Midlands and East Anglia most at risk at the moment. And then the northerly follows in behind, so some showers coming down across North East England, East Anglia and the South East, but dry towards the north and also the west. Now cooler weather is really going to be notable through Friday with the winds in the north. Bits and pieces of low cloud and perhaps one or two showers affecting these eastern coasts. For many though it's going to be a fine day, but it'll be much cooler than recently, with some good spells of sunshine, best of them to the west and the south. Into the bank holiday weekend, well, Saturday looks as if it does see a few showers trying to get going through the Midlands and central southern parts of England, as well as up the Pennines in the afternoon, but generally it's a dry and it's a coolish day given the amount of sunshine there'll be, probably about 20 or 21 degrees. Into Sunday, high pressure is still there, so we're dry and we're fine. Perhaps just a low risk of a shower Sunday afternoon. And then through Monday, well, this is when we start to see a little bit of a hiccup with the GFS. Here's Monday, and you see high pressure is in. Yes, 1 or 2 showers breaking out, but generally a fine day. But look at this area of low pressure. Look what happens next. This is the chart for Tuesday. It develops that low. I think that low developing too quickly, but it develops the low and it moves it northwards, bringing unsettled conditions through late part of Tuesday and into Wednesday. But as I say, I think that's too early. I think probably more likely to be the case is that that low will stay to the west of us, probably looking something like that through Tuesday. It may move in a little bit closer, bringing rain into Western Ireland on Wednesday, but for most of the British Isles, dry and sunny. And I think that low tending to stay to the west of the country through Thursday as well, before slowly trying to edge in as we head in towards the following weekend or the beginning of the week after. So I'm still on this period of this sort of 10th to the 13th period where I think we could see some changes taking place, and then the jet stream becomes established, I think, probably leading to more unsettled conditions. But I hope to have more on that for you over the next couple of days. So thanks for watching. As always, the site's kept free of charge by the advert you see around the screen, so if you see an advert you like, click on it and go through to the advertiser, because it's that generates revenue for us and keeps the site free of charge. So once again, thanks for watching and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.